Hello everyone, it's Ibrahim, the founder of ANORA AI. Today I will be walking you through the experimental generations. Let's get started. Experimental flowers, we will be exploring liquid glass. Let me show you. So this is a workflow. This is a full workflow. At the bottom side, you can see your credits. It will change in real time. And the app on the left side, you can just go back to your project, or you can basically change the title, liquid glass for example. In the top right side there's more icon where you can publish so others can remix your project, your workflows, or you can just copy the link and share in the socials, or help keyboard shortcuts. At the bottom side, the main controllers, cursor, hand tool, text block, image block, video block, and you can also leave the commands. For looks cool, let's use this. Yep. Yeah, we got the comments. Let me start from the scratch. Firstly, drop a text. Okay, the very first step is editing process. How we start? We just drop text block on a canvas and write the prompt. Write short prompt for liquid glass flowers effect and choose the model. We can choose any model from the drop down and click it submit or generate. We got the prompt here. Now the next thing is exploration. From editation, exploration. We drop an image block here, drop an image and connect to the text block. How you can connect this? Click plus and drag connection and connect to the image block. It's super easy. Here we got to choose the model. For example, there are different models: Flash, Google, OpenAI, from Chinese models. For this generation, I went with Flash Pro, and we can also choose the different ratio, different size for different socials. Yeah, when you click generate, it should generate the similar image, the similar flowers. Now we can explore more. For example, liquid glass. I just dropped another image block. Like, click on the plus icon and choose the image block from drop down, and you can see it's connected to another image block. Basically the same idea, the same workflow. I prompted make glass more and click generate. It will generate the glass effect with flowers. We got a glass. Now let's come up with something different. Quickly draft another text block. Click on the T on the keyboard and drop a text block. And let's prompt describe Hermes bag in max 2 sentences and choose a text generation model. If you want to go further to explore, you can choose GPT 5.2 or GPT 5, etc. Or you can just basically choose the GPT 4.1 Nano. Yeah, it's more than enough. We got a prompt here. Now connect to the image block and generate actual Hermes bag. Well, we got the 2 images. Now let's try to explore more. Just connect this and this image to one image to generate to come out with something different. For example, click on the plus and now drag here, choose the image block, and now click to flowers, click plus, now again drop another connection. We got the 2 sources here. It's displayed here. You can also click to go the actual source and prompt it. For example, let's try this one. Place flowers and embroidery to the back, repeat multiple times and return style. We got this image. Yeah, similar here. Or you can just use the suggestions from here. Click tab for next suggestion, or just click accept for accepting this, and click enter again to generate it. Or then the main idea is here. Just select the proper model, the correct model to generate the our target image. For this, I went with Gemini 3 Pro, or you can select Flex, etc. models, and you can also select the ratio, the sizes. For this one, I went with square, and you can repeat this with multiple items. The multiple times to generate different variations like this or like this, and explore more. Well, how we can generate the videos? It's also super easy. The first thing is let's connect the image block to text block here to come up with something different for this one. Like this, here's an example. I connect to text block and I write a prompt. Write a video generation prompt to make cool demo for this bag. Longest three sentence, the furthest bag, because I refer this bag. Here you can see the source. Yeah, here choose the model and we got a prompt here. Now we can connect this prompt plus image to one video to generate video. It's also easy. So basically connect to the video and choose a model, any model. You can choose any model, and you can also choose the duration. You can also choose the different ratios or quality. Well, this was with runway. Runway, and this one was sorted too. Looks not bad. I will leaving the full workflow and the link below and the comments and the description below. You can remix this, you can clone this and remix.